Guys, we're gonna do some grilled shrimp on the Ninja Foodi XL grill today, coming up. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ, and if you're a returning subscriber, you know I love you. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button, that bell next to it, so you get alerts on all what we're doing here. All right. First off, tell me what you thought about that new intro little bumper that we're using. I changed it up from the one I had for years, and then I stopped using a bumper. So now I wanted to try this one out. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. All right. I value your guys' opinion for sure. Today we have a real easy one for you. We're gonna do some garlic sriracha shrimp. We're gonna use these little skewers that came with my Ninja Foodi grill. If you do not have these skewers, one, I'll put a link down below for Amazon if you guys want to get them, or two, you can use the bamboo skewers you can get at the grocery store. I just recommend soaking them in water for a good half hour before you use them, okay? No big deal. All right, so we're gonna sear these off on the Sear'NSizzle by Grill Grates. You don't need it, but if you want it, links down below. I'm an affiliate for Grill Grates, so check it out, all right? I'm using uncooked, shelled and deveined shrimp. These have the tails on. I like the tails on because it kind of gives a little better presentation, but you can pull yours off if you want, okay? I recommend using uncooked shrimp for this. Even if it's frozen and you defrosted it, use the uncooked shrimp. If you use the already cooked shrimp, more than likely they're gonna just turn out into a rubbery mess. So if you can get uncooked shrimp, make sure you do it, okay? Trust your boy CJ on that one, all right? I'm gonna show you a quick marinade to use. Little sriracha, little minced garlic. We're gonna throw some honey in there for some little sweetness, and then a little bit of sesame oil. Not a lot, just a little bit. Sesame oil, toasted sesame oil is definitely something that you can definitely go overboard with. So just a couple drops in there, not a big deal. Maybe like half a teaspoon right in there, okay? Salt, pepper, real simple. So we're gonna marinate that shrimp for about a half hour, and then we're gonna get them on the skewers, get them in the Foodi grill. It's gonna take maybe 2 minutes aside. I'm gonna check it after 2 minutes, flip them over, finish the other side, but it really won't take that long. I got some rice we're gonna put the shrimp on. It's gonna be amazing, all right? That's it, guys. This is a real simple one, so I'm gonna stop talking. Let's get over on the Ninja Foodi grill station, otherwise known as my kitchen island. Let's get started. All right, now it's time to get started on this marinade for the shrimp. All right, so like I said, we have the sriracha, we have a honey, have a little sesame oil, have minced garlic. By the way, I cheated. This is easier than me sitting here and chopping for days, okay? So if you want to chop up your own garlic, I would use probably about 2 to 3 cloves. But with this, I'm just gonna use, you know, a healthy teaspoon or so, okay? So it's totally up to you. Let's get down here on this cutting board and get started. All right, team. We got our big bowl here to mix up the shrimp. Just got a little 16-20 jumbo shrimp, meaning there's 16 to 20 shrimps per pound. All right, so this is what we got here. They've already been defrosted. They're just chilling, they've been dried off. All right, we'll put those aside. Let's make our marinade. We're gonna start with the red chicken. Do a healthy tablespoon of that. Some honey, tablespoon of that. My measurements aren't exact, and you don't have to use organic honey if you don't want to. Then we got the toasted sesame oil. Just a few drops on the spoon here. Put that in there. I did this backwards. I should have done the garlic first with that spoon, but it is what it is. All right, so we got a healthy tablespoon of garlic there. Get some cracked black, probably about a teaspoon or so. And then a couple pinches of kosher salt. Do just a quick mix up. It doesn't look like a lot of marinade in there, but we don't need to seriously coat these shrimp, okay? We just want to get the flavor on there. Right, so it's not like, you know, we're marinating a big old piece of steak or something like that. We're just getting the flavors on there. We're not going overboard. So we're just getting the shrimp covered up. We're just complementing the shrimp flavor, not overpowering it. So that's why you're seeing me, you know, not put a ton of marinade on this, okay? That's gonna sit for about a half hour in the fridge, and then we'll start skewering and get that Foodi grill on, get it preheated. Really simple, all right? Come on back. All right, we've let these chill out in the fridge, you know, literally. We got the Sear'NSizzle grill plate in there. We're gonna shut it down, we're gonna hit grill. We're gonna do it on high. 10 minutes is good enough. Like I said, it's not gonna take that much time. We're gonna let it preheat, and while it's preheating, we're gonna make our skewers, okay? Now, I'm gloving up. You don't have to, but I am, because I'm dealing with camera equipment and lighting and all that crap, so I'm gloving up. makes it a little easier. We're gonna use 2 skewers. We'll probably put 3 or 4 shrimp on them. Just makes it, when you have 2, a little easier to control, okay? So the first one in, try to get it about 1 inch apart if you can. Slide it all the way down. Okay, see, it's gonna be easier to control. That's gonna make a nice flat surface. All right, the next one's on. See, I can get 4 on this one. Alright, I'm gonna finish up the rest of these shrimp, and hopefully by the end of the griddle we'll be ready to go. Alright team, we're fired up, heated up, fired up, whatever you want to call it. Let's get these skewers on there. Get ready for that sizzle. Yeah, buddy. Get that sizzle. Get contact with them grates. All right. Oh yeah. Dig it. And that garlic's gonna crisp up real nice. All right, we're gonna let it go for a minute, minute and a half, and then we'll flip them, all right? Okay guys, just that quick. You can tell it's getting nice and opaque. The grill is doing its job. It's gonna heat these through really, really quick. There we go. Like I said, these aren't gonna take very long at all. They'll be done in a hot second. So another minute and a half. All right team, we got some great color going on. We let these go, I'd say all together about 5 minutes, because I kept checking, looking, making sure we weren't overcooking them. Got a nice shine, they're looking good. Some good color on there. It's good to go. All right, so we got a plate of rice. We're gonna plate this up and get it ready for the thumbnail, and we'll come back and give these back. Team, we are done. This was too easy to do. This cook took no time at all. Very simple. Marinate it for about half an hour. You're good to go. 5 minutes on the grill. Do a little flippy flip, and you're solid, guys. This is freaking amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and pull one of these shrimps off so we can try it. You know, get some great color on that bad boy. You can smell the sriracha. It's good stuff. Mm. You know it's good. I mean, I don't know what I'm gonna tell you guys. You didn't come here for bad recipes, and this is a winner, all right? Sweet heat. You know you love that sriracha peppery goodness going on in there. Oh, get you right back here. Oh, so good. Listen, guys, that's it for this one. Really simple, really easy. I had some fun. I hope you had some fun watching this too. Guys, if you haven't already done so, hit that thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed. Comment down below, tell me how much you love this dish. And if you want to become part of CJ's crew for real here on YouTube, hit that join button down there. It's actually right next to the subscribe button. Give you some behind the scenes stuff of what we do here. Get your name at the end of the video on the scroll. And just know that you're helping out, you know, a struggling influencer. Anyway, I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.